to the Krah channel. Today we have something new. During my last years, many people ask me how can I make a hole on a pipe on site. Mainly when the pipe is under service. Maybe to connect a new inlet, an outlet or whatever. So we developed a new system to make holes in our pipes. And yes, you're right, it's not only our pipes. We can make with this tool holes in any kind of polyethylene or polypropylene pipes. Corrugated pipes, solid wall pipes. The pipe diameter is from 600 mm up to 3000. And I will show you now a little video where you can see how we did a hole. Size is 450 millimeter in a pipe 1000 millimeter, and the total time is just 10 minutes. The first drill is the center of the hole in the end. After you finish the first little hole, the center of the big hole, the mounting tool is put on place. After the mounting tool is in place, you adjust the size of the required hole in the milling tool. The needed power is a 230 volt power supply for the little hole. After this is adjusted, you place the milling tool on the mounting tool and you start to mill the big hole. And you can see the precision of the hole, so no additional work is needed to have a correct hole on the right position, and everything is done outside the plant, at site. After the hole is milled completely, you replace the complete equipment and your hole is done. I'm very happy to present this new tool in our product range. I hope you enjoyed watching, and thank you very much for your attention. And please feel free to put any comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, give me a like, and if you subscribe our channel, it would be great for us.